Did you know that you could easily swap your meme coins with BNB? Want to know more? Watch till the end. Hey crypto lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to swap coins for BNB and some latest updates on Binance. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Let's get started. Let us explain to you why you should swap your meme coins before we tell you how to do it. Binance Launch Pool is one of the main causes. You can join the Binance Launch Pool to participate in token launches for upcoming Binance listings. It works like this. You join a launch pool offering, choose a pool based on your preferences and APY, and stake one of the supported assets. To join in the Binance Launch Pool, you must have the appropriate assets to stake. BNB, BETH, and BUSD are the most commonly used assets in Launch Pool, so stocking up on them is a good idea if you want to participate on a regular basis. Don't worry if you don't have any. To change your assets into BNB, BETH, or BUSD, there are 3 simple and quick methods. The Binance Spot Exchange is still the most popular way to get BNB, BETH, BUSD, or just about any other cryptocurrency. Since 2017, Binance's initial service has provided some of the most active and liquid crypto markets in the world. Binance Liquid Swap is another alternative that has grown in popularity. This is Binance's DeFi-style solution for exchanging one token for another with costs that are lower than the spot exchange's rates. On Liquid Swap, there are now 13 pairs, with BUSD being one of them. Liquid Swap can be used to obtain BUSD. Go to Liquid Swap and make sure the cryptocurrency you'll be exchanging for BUSD is in your spot wallet. Then, under Sell, select the token you want to sell. You can acquire BUSD on Liquid Swap by selling USDT, DAI, EUR, ETH, AUD, or BTC. Select BUSD from the Buy menu. The amount of BUSD you'll receive in this transaction will be automatically shown by the system. The current price, the fee, and the slippage, or the possible divergence of the actual price from the current price owing to market dynamics in the liquidity pools, will all be displayed. Don't worry, the slippage is usually negligible or unnoticeable. After that, select Swap. The transaction takes less than a second, and your newly purchased BUSD will be instantly available in your spot wallet. For BUSD, this strategy is the most effective. If you wish to get BNB or BUSD for use on Launch Pool, there's another option, the recently created Binance Convert and OTC portal, which offers quick conversions and no fees. You may use our platform to convert your crypto into another type of token in seconds with as little as 10 USDT or as much as 100,000 USDT. There are a variety of cryptocurrencies that may be converted to BUSD, including prominent assets such as BTC, ETH, and LTC, USDT, USDC, and TUSD stablecoins, DeFi tokens, UNI, and community-driven tokens Doge and DOT, with order limits ranging from $10 to $4 million. Go to Convert and OTC first. Make sure the cryptocurrency you'll be exchanging for BNB/BUSD is in your spot wallet. Select the token you want to use as your From and BNB or BUSD as your To. On the From side, you can enter the amount of tokens you want to use or the number of tokens you wish to acquire on the To side. After that, select Preview Conversion. The pricing quote for the transaction you're considering will then appear. You have 5 seconds to accept the quote and complete the transaction. Click Refresh to acquire a new rate if the 5 seconds have expired. Now press the Convert button. It takes less than a second for the transaction to complete, and you'll see the BUSD you purchased in your spot wallet. But we want you to know that all investments come with risk and the crypto market is highly unstable. It's always better to consult a financial advisor and do your research before investing, as we do not provide financial advice. Let us know which coin you love the most in the comments below, and do hit the thumbs up if you found this video interesting. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye!